Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the blower motor in Lexus UX. First we will remove this plastic cover. For this you need to press on the tabs, press and pull it down and repeat on all four. Then you will see this connector. To remove this connector you have to press on the tab with a screwdriver and pull it away at the same time. And then the cover will come out. I will remove this power connector. For this you have to press on the tab here and pull it off this way. The blower motor is being held by 3 screws. There is one right here, one on the right side, and there is one in the back. In order to access all of them, we need to use a small ratchet. You can use Torx 20-bit or flat head screwdriver. I'm using Torx 20. And now you will be able to remove the blower motor. This is how it looks. It's split into 2 parts because vehicle has dual climate control. Right here we have the part number, DENSO. This is how the connector looks like. And also, guys, I would like to address that it is quite dirty. This could mean that the cabin air filter hasn't been replaced in a while and needs to be replaced. If you don't do it, you may end up with your blower motor looking like this. Also, when you remove the blower motor, make sure that you also remove this seal. And make sure your new blower motor has this seal as well. It goes right here. Insert the new one, carefully guide it inside the opening and reinstall the screws. Now I will reinstall the connector, push it in until it snaps. And the cover goes back in. We have 2 hooks on the end, which will go into those 2 openings. And don't forget to reconnect this light. And now, guys, simply push these clips inside. These are the tools that we used for this replacement. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.